हे फोक्स, इतनी पढ़ाई करके मेहनत करके किसी तरह सेक्शनल कट ऑफ्स क्लियर करके you finally reached the interview round. Kudos to you. So now you cannot afford to falter at such a crucial stage. Let me start by telling you the significance of interview. कि interview लेते क्यों हैं? बाकी courses में तो ये सब नहीं होता. Actually, management is a very high-powered field. It requires you to not just be academically smart, but also have a dynamic personality. तो academic smartness तो तुमने दिखा दी एग्जाम क्लियर करके, बट अब रियल असेसमेंट शुरू होता है when you have to actually present yourself in such a manner that they select you for the program. अब इसके लिए ना काफ़ी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी. सबसे पहले माई प्रेप वे पे जाके उसका लाइव मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम लो, जिससे पता चले कि इंटरव्यू में एग्जैक्टली सीन क्या होता है. बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ यू वुड बी गिविंग सच एन इंटरव्यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन योर लाइफ. इसके बाद स्टार्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग. Now allow me to explain you the concept of introspection. Guys, it is not overthinking. You have to sit with yourself and analyze your strengths and weaknesses. अपने likes and dislikes, your hobbies and interests and things you're passionate about. Because interviewers can ask you any question on that. And it wouldn't look good if you don't answer a personal question. You can also prepare a brief resume for reference and study every detail of it. Because interviewers will ask you questions related to your academic achievements, extracurriculars and co-curriculars, your hobbies, क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है, everything. Which reminds me that you cannot bluff or lie in an interview. You tell only those achievements जिसके पास तुम्हारा proof है. You've got to be prepared for behavioral questions that will assess your interpersonal skills, your leadership qualities, and your ability to work in a team. Now, they might give you situational questions to assess how you handle stress and difficult situations. They can also give you small cases to solve just to check your analytical and problem-solving skills. Another popular type of question asked in an interview is extemporary. Extemporary is basically कि वो तुम्हें कोई टॉपिक दे देंगे, जनरली कोई करंट अफेयर का टॉपिक या कोई कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक, और उस पर तुम्हारा ओपिनियन मांगेंगे. Now they'll give you 30 seconds to prepare, 30 to 60 seconds to prepare, to recollect your thoughts, and then you would have to speak around 1 to 2 minutes. Now over here you cannot stop or pause. So इसके लिए तुम्हें बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. You have to read a lot of current affairs to have something to speak in extemporary. Otherwise also, it is absolutely necessary to stay updated on what is happening in the world. There are very high chances that they'll ask a direct question or your opinion on it. So you have to have something to say. अब इस चक्कर में प्लीज नहीं भूलना कि 11th और 12th के academics are equally important. अपने जो स्ट्रीम के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, you have to prepare them well, you have to revise them. जनरली बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछेंगे, बट यू नेवर नो कि इंटरव्यूअर का कैसा मूड है उस दिन. दे माइट जस्ट ग्रिल यू ऑन इट. अब मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, माई इंटरव्यूअर वॉज वेरी काइंड. ही आस्क्ड मी, पर्णिका, डू यू नो इंटीग्रेशन? And I said, sir, I wouldn't bet on it, but you can ask me differentiation though. So at any point in an interview, if you feel that things are getting out of hand, you have to make sure you make it towards your side. Remember, you have to be very crisp with your answer. ये मत करना कि इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा, tell me about yourself, और तुम पूरे childhood history बता दी. Have clarity of thought while answering, और उतना ही बताओ जितना वो पूछ रहे हैं. Otherwise, you will get stuck in your own words, and they might give a lot of cross questions for that. Remember कि तुम्हें उठने बैठने का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. जैसे मेरा इंटरव्यू ऑफलाइन हुआ था, तो उसमें मुझे अपना पोस्चर, मेरे हाथों की पोजीशन, सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना पड़ा था. So that even though you are nervous, you don't portray that to the interviewers. Wish them with a lively greeting. ऐसे good morning sir, good morning ma'am करके अच्छे से बोलना. और don't show that you are clumsy. वरना थोड़ा फनी हो जाएगा. अगर इंटरव्यू ऑनलाइन है तो मेक श्योर यू हैव अ स्टेबल कनेक्शन एंड कीप योर मोबाइल हॉटस्पॉट फॉर बैकअप. कैमरा क्वालिटी और लाइटिंग का भी ध्यान रखना जिससे इंटरव्यूअर इरिटेट ना हो. इट इज एडवाइजेबल टू वेयर बिजनेस फॉर्मल्स, यानी अ सॉलिड कलर कोट विद शर्ट एंड पैंट. दिस विल पोर्ट्रे दैट यू आर एक्चुअली सीरियस फॉर दिस. गाइस, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज रिमेंबर द 3 pillars of interview: knowledge, confidence, communication. Make sure these things are in check, and all you have to do is stay calm, composed, and be yourself. I have a solution to all your study problems. My PrepWay provides multiple comprehensive courses, including live mentorship program, classroom preparation, and even mock tests. These courses are custom designed for aspirants like you by CUET and IPMAT toppers who know what it takes to crack these exams. You can also check out the demo videos of our course on our YouTube playlist or our website. So go and check it out. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe.